Hi, and once again welcome to World of Slotcast. In this small episode I'm going to show how you can apply these home printed banners and streamers for your models. And this is for the burger joint over here, Carl the Chef's Burger Joint Deluxe. And I'm just going to show you how I'm going to apply this main banner here. First of all, you're going to need a really sharp knife. You're going to need a ruler made out of metal you can cut along without cutting into the ruler. And it's actually pretty simple. You need to cut this out and make sure that it's done perfectly. Always place the ruler on the inside of the model. That way, if you make a mistake, you will cut away from the print, thereby not damaging it any further. So let's just cut this out. You see, we get a nice clean look here due to the really sharp knife. And then I usually take the long edges first, but I just want to remove the rest of the paper here, so I get this one, so I can work with it. And make sure that it is perfectly aligned. And only one cut to go. And then we have a nice banner here for the burger joint. Like that. When you have cut it out, check if it fits. Because if you start gluing it and it doesn't fit, then you have a problem. This looks really nice, it fits, no problem here. So we need to apply some glue to this, and I use some PVA glue that has been thinned a bit down. Make sure that it is well stirred before use, and you do not need a lot of this, because this will, to begin with, make the paper bend a bit, which actually isn't good. But if you don't do anything about that, if you just leave it to dry, the paper will straighten out. So we are going to apply a bit of the glue here. Just see if we got it in the camera. See, it's really thin. Use a finger like this. PVA glue isn't harmful in any way, so don't drink it, but your finger won't mind if you get some on it like that. And I need a bit more. I'm going to make sure that I have glue everywhere. So when working with all kinds of hobby projects, patience is a virtue. So take your time, do it right the first time. That will save you a lot of regrets. Like that. Now we have a tiny thin layer of glue everywhere, and I'm going to insert this, align it to the center, place a couple of fingers in the middle, and then just gently make sure that it stays in place. As I said before, the glue will make it bend a bit, but when it dries, this will stay where it belongs. Like this. I will usually end up giving all of these a varnish after the glue has dried to protect it further and prevent it from doing anything it shouldn't do. So this is how you attach these home printed banners and streamers on models. So it can also be used for this that came with this model. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed. If you are interested in any of my buildings, please check out the World of Slotcast Patreon, where I share all of my stuff. So thank you all, have a great day.